Getting ready to go out shopping.
Hiya!
Where are we going today, Samantha?
We're off shopping. I was going to say where we're going then, but I'm not really sure if I'm allowed to.
No, you said to go off shopping to York.
We're off to York shopping. And, yeah.
What are you getting, Samantha?
A bag for school, hopefully. And some bits and bobs.
Hippie van! Hippie van! Hippie van! Hippie van! Hippie van! Hippie van! Look! It's hippie van!
Oh my god!
Shut up! Oh my god! Hippie van! And I'm just going for a wander and I might pop into a few shops. Maybe even going Toys R Us as a laugh.
Yeah.
I want to vlog around Toys R Us for an old school dish.
Stuck in a bit of a traffic jam, sort of-ish.
It's kind of conspicuous, really.
Hi, Jamie.
Hi. How long did it take us this time, Samantha?
About an hour.
Which you shouldn't really do. It should only take us about 40 minutes, but we're stuck in a traffic jam for 10 minutes. Took a detour for 5 minutes because some driver tried to undercut me. I don't know, basically stopped me from going in the other lane, so I couldn't get in the other lane. And then we took a detour around, so eventually here at the shops. That was blurry. That was blurry recording.
Oh.
Yeah.
And now you need a wee. To 6. I should be down to 78 now then.
Probably.
I do the bag one.
What, so yeah, but people like your car,
Oh
do
my
they?
god, I love that.
If I do that, I lose stupid. Wondering.
I love it. I actually really like it. I'm glad I got it. I honestly thought I would like that one in Selfridge.
I'm kind of recording you from the age. Oh well.
Filming us going out would be more interesting.
That's what I mean, like people.
We're just leaving now.
What have you got today, Samantha?
I've got a bag. I've got some socks. And I've got a top. I wanted some nail polish, but it's just too expensive. So, yeah.
I got 2 tops.
Leaving now. Whee!
So warm.
Yeah.
I think the summer's back.
There's like, look at the sky, man. It wasn't like this when we left our house, was it, Jamie?
No. We're having Samantha.
It's a bacon double cheese burger. Real extra large.
There you are.
And with Fanta.
Alright,
Look
try
at the
them.
size of that.
What is it? There's hamsters and shit.
Oh, I've never seen one do that before.
I've
Got kiwi in the thing. Oh my god, do you want me to do it? Just look how cute they are, guys.
Russian dwarf hamsters.
Yeah.
It's £10 each for them. Yeah, I think you could go away with it today.
I don't think that'd work though, would it? At home. We're getting Scooby this toy and it goes like this. And it's a pink pig. Oh my god.
Toys R Us because YOLO. What? Vlogging you in Toys R Us? I actually vlogged myself. Eh? It's just...
We're driving home now. So yeah. Did you have a good day, Jamie?
Yeah. Better being at home.
Yeah.
And at work.
Definitely.
Right, now we need to get right there.
So yeah. Just driving. We were stuck in this traffic on the way. Driving on the motorway.
The lyrics go.
It's coming now. What did you just do, Jamie?
What you want is you want grind, you want authority, you want a good bit of energy.
He chucked his bottle out of the window.
But we've got to keep
It was an accident.
It was an accident.
It was my house slipped in it.
So what are we doing when we get back?
Walking dog maybe?
Maybe walking the dog
On the field.
on the field.
That we did last time.
So yeah.
Come on, through here, come on. No, through here.
So you're in the press tonight then?
What's this Scooby-Doo, eh? What have we got here?
What's this?
Oh no.
Hi, Mr. Pig. Do you want him? He's yours. Do you want him? I got him especially for you. Oh, do you want it? Go on then, you take it. Did you get that on the floor?
Yeah.
What do you think of him?
It probably won't last long, but... Came down here the other day, didn't we?
Yep.
Scooby loves his new toy. There's the goalposts for our town football team that we don't support because we're a bunch of knobheads.